if you're looking at getting mini splits, I recommend the Cooper&Hunter. My boyfriend owns an air conditioning company. He's been doing air conditioning for over 20 years, and this is his go-to company, the Cooper&Hunter brand. It works really well. It's very reliable. It was very quick and easy to put together. It comes with this remote here. You just turn it on and off with the power button, and you can change the settings here to lower it or to raise it. It's super nice. You can open it on the sides here, and these are the filters which you can take out and clean as well. We use this in our Airbnb. We have had no complaints. It works really nice and it keeps the room super cool. We highly recommend this, and if you're looking for other reviews, please follow, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.